Kenya continues making strides to ensure the full revitalization of the manufacturing sector through the Special Economic Zones. The Special Economic Zones Authority is touring the Naivasha Economic Zone to assess its progress after Jambo Africa Auto Auction Farm launched its operations in the zone. Fredrick Muoki is part of the tour and joins us with more.
The Naivasha Special Economic Zone is one of the most strategically positioned zones of the county due to its proximity to the inland container depot, the standard gauge railway, and the steady, cheaper, and green energy from the Olkaria well. Investors sitting based at the zone enjoy preferential corporate rates of 10% for the first 10 years, 15% for the next 10 years, and 30% for the next preceding years.
Special economic zones are not supposed to cannibalize other businesses outside the zone, okay? They're supposed to augment that. And again, from an authority perspective, we are very keen to see that we are having additional, we are actually creating more value and not cannibalizing our business outside the zone. So we welcome our investors. We will give you every support that is needed.
We are looking at getting into manufacturing in 2025. And this is an exciting opportunity. We've been glad to interact with the business association, with the Nakuru Business Association, to interact with the SEZA.
Investors want the government to expedite the completion of the Nakuru airport to improve connection between Nairobi and Nakuru counties.
There's absolutely no way you can have international investors investing in an area without an airport. Some of these guys, from my own interactions as chair of the business association, some of these guys only have 4 hours in a country. You know, I mean, that's how tight some of their diaries are. So if somebody has 4 hours, he doesn't want to use road, he wants to fly.
As government continues providing incentives to attract both local and international investors into the special economic zones, the Naivasha SEZ is touted as a game changer, bearing in mind its proximity to the standard gauge railway, its internal container depot, and availability of lower power tariffs. Reporting for Prime Edition from Naivasha, Nakuru County, my name is Fredrick Muoki.